Ever pondered over how mechanics seemingly decode car problems at lightning speed? They make it look like magic, don't they? But it's not wizardry, it's science, it's skills, and above all, it's experience. So buckle up for the journey into the world of car diagnostics. First, what's car diagnostics? It's like a doctor's checkup, but for your car. It's about understanding the signs, the sounds, and the symptoms your car is showing. It's about knowing what's normal and what's not. So, where does one start? Well, the first step is always a thorough visual inspection. Mechanics look for signs of wear and tear, leaks, or any damage. The key here is attention to detail. A tiny crack or leak, often overlooked, can be the root cause of a major problem. Next, they listen. Yes, you heard that right. Cars speak in their own language, of course. A humming engine, a squeaky brake, a rattling exhaust, each sound is a clue. Mechanics have tuned their ears to these automotive symphonies. They can tell a lot about a car's health just by listening to it. Then, they feel. Mechanics drive the car around to understand its behavior. They feel for any vibrations, hesitations, or abnormalities in the handling of the car. But, it's not all about the senses. Mechanics also rely on advanced diagnostic tools. These tools read the car's onboard computer, fetching data about the engine, transmission, exhaust system, and other systems. This data can reveal problems that aren't apparent to the naked eye or the human ear. Now, here's a secret. Mechanics don't know everything about every car. They rely on technical service bulletins, or TSBs. These are like cheat sheets, released by car manufacturers detailing common problems and solutions for specific models. Finally, they use their most powerful tool, experience. Each car is unique, and so is each problem. Mechanics draw from their past experiences, their successes, and their failures to diagnose and fix issues. So to sum it up, car diagnostics is a blend of sensory observations, technical tools, and past experiences. It starts with a visual inspection, then listening to the car's sounds, driving it to feel its performance, using diagnostic tools to read its onboard computer, referring to TSBs for common issues, and finally drawing from past experiences. And remember, like any other skill, car diagnostics also gets better with practice. So don't get discouraged if you can't figure out a problem at first. Keep learning, keep practicing, and soon, you'll be diagnosing car problems like a pro. So, if you've ever felt amazed by how quickly mechanics diagnose car problems, now you know their secret. It's not magic, it's a skill that you can learn and master. We hope this insight into car diagnostics has sparked your interest and curiosity. Because at the end of the day, every car lover should know a bit about car diagnostics. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about understanding your car, it's about building a connection with it. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one solving car mysteries at lightning speed.